Welcome back. In today's class, we will discuss some narration changes from the question bank of Ray and Martin. The students of the higher secondary course of West Bengal Board will also be benefited through this discussion. Those students who want to know about the narration in detail, I request them to go to the grammar playlist of this channel and watch the videos which have been made in detail on the rules of the narrations. Now, let's start these questions. The first question is, "Forgive me," said the bearded man. In the story, the three questions when the bearded man came to know that the Tsar had saved his life, then he told the Tsar this word, "Forgive me." Here, the question is, "Forgive me." This is the direct speech, said the bearded man. Then it is written, this is the reporting verb is said the bearded man. Now, look at the indirect sentence. This is the narration change and the indirect sentence. The bearded man pleaded for forgiveness. See, here the bearded man is pleading for forgiveness that is why he is telling this word, "Forgive me." এটার বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে আমাকে ক্ষমা করুন. We have written the bearded man pleaded. Pleaded means requesting again and again. That is why we have used this word pleaded for forgiveness. This means the bearded man requested the Tsar for forgiveness. That is why he told the word. The entire sentence is the bearded man pleaded for forgiveness. Forgiveness এর বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে ক্ষমা. Now look at this question. "You have already been answered," said the hermit to the Tsar. Actually, in the story, the three question, the hermit actually told the Tsar, "You have already been answered." This is the reported speech, the direct speech from the hermit. Now look at the indirect sentence. This is the indirect speech. The hermit told the Tsar. Actually, this said to has been converted to told, because we know if there is said to in the reporting verb, we have to convert this to told. That is why we have written told. Say the hermit told the Tsar, because the hermit is saying this to the Tsar. The hermit told the Tsar that we have added a that in the indirect speech, because this is a normal statement. He had already been answered. Actually, the reported speech is in present perfect tense, and we have to convert this present perfect tense into past perfect tense. That is why this have has been converted to had, and after had we have used the past participle form of the verb answered. This answered, we have written here answered. Okay, here also it was answered, and after had we have used answered. That is why we have written he had already been answered. So he had already been answered. This part is in the past perfect tense. The entire sentence is, the hermit told the Tsar that he had already been answered. So this part is in past perfect tense, he had already been answered, and this part is in simple past tense, the hermit told the Tsar. পাস্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সে আমরা জানি দুটো অতীত থাকলে পরপর একটা হ্যাড দিয়ে করতে হয় আর একটা সিম্পল পাস্ট টেন্সে রাখতে হয়। এই পার্টটা দ্য হার্মিট টোল্ড দ্য জার, এই পার্টটা এখানে সিম্পল পাস্ট টেন্সে আছে, আর ঠিক তার পরের পার্টটা দেখো, কারণ এটা এর আগে ঘটেছিল সেই জন্য এটাকে পাস্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সে রাখা হলো। নাও লুক at this question. "Why don't you look out of the window?" I asked. We know here I means the author. In the story, the eyes have it, and the author asked to the girl passenger this question, "Why don't you look out of the window?" So you means the girl passenger. Now see the indirect sentence. Here we have written I asked her. This I asked has been placed here. I asked her. Here her means the girl passenger. This is you, because the narrator is asking to the girl passenger. So I asked her why. We know if there is any WH word in the reported speech, we have to place it as it is. That is why we have written here the why she did not look out of the window. Here this is the present indefinite tense, don't you look out of the window, and as this
reporting verb.
speech is in the past tense, we have to convert the entire reported speech in the past tense. That is why we have used the past tense here, this part, she did not look out of the window. This is in a question form, and we have to convert this in a statement form. That is why we have written she did not look out of the window. So the answer is, I asked her why she did not look out of the window. Now look at this question. She said, I didn't know anyone else was here. Look here, she said, this is the simple past tense, and I didn't know anyone else was here. This reported speech happened prior to this tense, this past tense, simple past tense. That is why we have to convert this part into past perfect tense. এই যে সেট সিম্পল পাস্ট টেন্সে বলা আছে, এটা এই যে পার্টটা এখানে বক্তা বলছে আই ডিডন্ট নো এনিওয়ান এলস ওয়াজ হিয়ার, যে আমি জানতাম না যে এখানে কেউ আছে। মেয়েটি তার গার্ল প্যাসেঞ্জার লেখককে বলেছিল যে আমি জানতাম না যে আপনি এখানে আছেন, সেই জন্য এই পার্টটা এই টেন্সের আগের ঘটনা, তাই আমাদেরকে এই পার্টটাকে হ্যাড দিয়ে করতে হবে যখন আমরা ইনডাইরেক্ট সেন্টেন্সটা তৈরি করব। নাও লুক এট দ্য ইনডাইরেক্ট সেন্টেন্স। This is the indirect sentence here. She said that. This said, we have placed this as it is. This said has been placed here. She said that has been added. I didn't know anyone else was here. We have converted it into past perfect tense. So we have written here, I didn't know. She had not known. Okay. The past participle form of this know is known. So we have written here this known instead of know. She had not known anyone else was there. Notice one thing, this was is a be verb. Okay, এই ওয়াজটা হচ্ছে একটা be verb, হওয়া ভার্ব বোঝাচ্ছে, and this was has been converted to had been because we have to use here had been, the past participle form of this part was. So we have written had been there. এটা একটা বি ভার্ব, ওয়াজটা একটা বি ভার্ব, আর বি ভার্ব হওয়ার জন্য বি ভার্বকে যদি আমরা পাস্ট পারফেক্টে পরিণত করতে যাই তাহলে সেটা আমরা হ্যাড বিন দিয়ে আমাদেরকে লিখতে হবে, সেই জন্য আমরা এখানে হ্যাড বিন ইউজ করেছি। সো দ্য এন্টায়ার সেন্টেন্স ইজ শি said that she had not known anyone else had been there. গার্ল প্যাসেঞ্জারটা বলছে যে সে জানতো না যে এখানে কেউ আছে, মানে ওই কম্পার্টমেন্টে, তার কম্পার্টমেন্টে যে কেউ আছে সেটা সে জানতো না। Now look at this sentence. Jainalabuddin said to Kalam, adversity always presents opportunities for introspection. Jainalabuddin means Dr. Kalam's father, Dr. Abdul Kalam's father. Abdul Kalam's father told him he advised him, adversity always presents opportunities for introspection. The meaning of this is that adversity means challenges, the challenges that come in our life always present opportunities, they open up opportunities or advantages for our introspection. Introspection means self evaluation. Challenges open up actually advantages for our self evaluation. এই কথাটার বাংলা মানে হলো, কালামের বাবা মানে ডক্টর আব্দুল কালামের বাবা তাকে উপদেশ দিয়েছিল বা বলেছিল, অ্যাডভার্সিটি অলওয়েজ প্রেজেন্টস অপরচুনিটিস ফর ইন্ট্রোস্পেকশন, মানে বৈপরীত্য অর্থাৎ আমাদের জীবনে যে নেগেটিভ জিনিসগুলো বা চ্যালেঞ্জগুলো আসে সেগুলো আমাদেরকে আত্মসমীক্ষার সুযোগ খুলে দেয়। আত্মসমীক্ষার মানে আমরা নিজেদেরকে জানতে পারি, নিজেদেরকে পরীক্ষা করতে পারি, জানতে পারি যে আমাদের মধ্যে কী কী ফল্ট আছে। নাও লুক অ্যাট দ্য ইনডাইরেক্ট সেন্টেন্স। দ্য ইনডাইরেক্ট স্পিচ ইজ Jainalabuddin told Kalam that adversity always presents opportunities for introspection. Note one thing, adversity always presents opportunities for introspection. This is the universal truth. So this never changes. এটা হচ্ছে ধ্রুব সত্য, এই কথাটা অ্যাডভার্সিটি থেকে এই ইন্ট্রোস্পেকশন অবধি হচ্ছে ধ্রুব সত্য, এটা কখনো চেঞ্জ হবে না। তাই আমরা অ্যাজ ইট ইজ এটা বসিয়ে দেবো ইনডাইরেক্ট স্পিচে। দ্য ইনডাইরেক্ট স্পিচ ইজ Jainalabuddin told Kalam. This said to has been converted to told. Jainalabuddin told Kalam that adversity always presents opportunities for introspection. We have placed this part of the sentence as it was. Because we know that in narration change, universal truth never changes in indirect speech. এই পার্টটা যেমন ছিল ঠিক তেমনই বসিয়ে এটাকে ধ্রুব সত্য বলে এখানে তেমনই বসে গেল, এর ভেতরে কোনো চেঞ্জ হবে না। Now look at this sentence. How answered? What do you mean? Asked the Tsar. We know in the story 3 questions. The Tsar told the hermit that the hermit did not answer his question. Okay. Then the hermit told the Tsar that he had already been answered. That is why the Tsar is asking here, how answered? এটার বাংলাটা হচ্ছে কিভাবে আমাকে উত্তর দেয়া হলো। This means how the Tsar was answered and what do you mean and what the hermit meant. Now look at the indirect sentence. This is the indirect speech. How answered, what do you mean? Actually, ask the Tsar, we have written here in the first of the sentence, in the first place of the sentence, the Tsar asked. How answered means how the Tsar was answered. That is why we have written here how he was answered. Here he means this Tsar. That is why we have written here he was answered. কিভাবে উত্তরটা দেয়া হয়েছিল, যার তখন তাকে জিজ্ঞেস করেছিল হারমিটকে যে কিভাবে আমাকে আপনি উত্তরটা দিলেন। and the next part is what do you mean, এটার বাংলা অর্থ হলো যে আপনি কি বলতে চাইছেন। so we have written it what the speaker or hermit meant. This is a statement. This part has to be changed into a statement. That is why we have written here what the speaker or hermit meant. Here the speaker means the hermit, so you have to write here either speaker or hermit. Don't write both. The entire statement is the Tsar asked how he was answered and what the speaker or hermit meant. This meant word is the past tense of mean. So students, this was the discussion in today's class. I think this video will be helpful to you. If this video is helpful to you, please give a like and share this video to your friends and relatives. Thank you all, and we are coming with the next video.